Tahiti, a digital nomad's dream with its blend of French culture and tropical paradise, offers the perfect balance of work and leisure. From the bustling markets of Tahiti Nui to the serene beaches of Tahiti Iti, this island caters to every aspect of the nomadic lifestyle. The Hilton Hotel Tahiti stands as an oasis of productivity, providing high-speed Wi-Fi and amenities that ensure a seamless work environment. For those seeking a more remote retreat, the Conrad Bora Bora Nui offers luxury with a view, complete with cultural activities and wellness programs. The best time to visit is between May and October, when the weather is cooler and drier, ideal for outdoor activities and uninterrupted work. With fewer tourists, it's the perfect season for a digital detox or to delve into the local culture. Staying connected is a breeze with options like pocket Wi-Fi rentals and co-working spaces such as the office. Establishing a routine and utilizing these work-friendly spots can help maintain productivity amidst the island's allure. The Conrad Bora Bora Nui, a remote paradise, offers digital nomads a luxurious escape with the promise of connectivity. Far and away adventures can tailor solo trips, ensuring a personalized and unforgettable experience. Bora Bora on a budget is possible. Save by planning free activities, shopping at local markets, and staying in guest houses. Travel during the shoulder season for better deals, and immerse yourself in the local culture for a richer, more affordable experience. Bora Bora's rich history, from its days as an independent kingdom to its current status within French Polynesia, adds depth to its natural beauty. Understanding its past enhances the appreciation of this island's resilience and charm. Balance work with adventure by exploring Bora Bora's activities, from scuba diving to sunset catamaran rides. Allocate time for excursions that will enrich your experience and create lasting memories. Plan your journey from Tahiti to Bora Bora with the help of experts like Far and Away Adventures. They'll guide you through accommodation choices, customized itineraries, and budget-friendly options, allowing you to focus on your work and the beauty of island hopping. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.